Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars again, back with this 2011 Nissan X-Trail. This one's a 2-litre DCI automatic. It's the Tekna model, so it's the top of the range. It's finished in pearl black with the black leather. It's done 81,000 miles. Full Nissan service history. It's got 13 services with it and a service file like you have never seen before. Whatever this car has needed, it has got. It's in super condition, very clean throughout. It rides on the 18-inch alloys. Got brand new tyres on the front, virtually brand new discs and pads also on the front. Incredibly clean on the underside as well. It's not rusty, it's not scabby like some of these can be. You will be very hard pushed to find a better one than this. Has a very lightly used swan neck tow bar. It's got the privacy glass on the rear. There is a tiny scrape there in the plastic trim on the bumper. Very, very, very nice. It's got the big glass roof as well. It's got navigation, Bose audio, just 2 previous keepers. It was originally a Nissan demonstrator. But yeah, just look how clean that is. Let's show you inside. As usual, we'll begin with the boot. All very nice, all clean and correct. Got your drawers and your loading systems that you get with these cars. Load cover as well present. No nasty smells or anything like that. Inside the car, we've got the black leather, weird Isofix in the back, and your centre armrest. Rear electric windows also, but again, just in super, super nice condition. And finally, in the front, we do have drivers and passengers electric seat. Again, both chairs are in super condition and all very clean. Multifunction steering wheel, electric folding mirrors, electric windows. As I mentioned, the Bose audio. Got the navigation system also. Heated seats, your all mode 4x4 system, your climate control. And that's about it. 81,353 miles on the car, and I'll just start it now. So you can see it starts without fault. Serviced less than 1,000 miles ago in June or July by Nissan. As you can see, all perfect. Nav system's all working correctly. See if I can show you FM AM radio. Music box, so it's got a hard disk drive. And all important Bluetooth audio lock, CD. And then back to your hard disk drive. Got your Bluetooth phone. But yeah, that's really it. Cup holders down in the centre. There are more cup holders on the dash in the X-Trail. Just there, look. Bit of storage on the top of the dash. And your handbooks are in the glove box. The really big sunroof that the valet has not cleaned, look. That's great, we'll sort that. Yeah, give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.